Henan Guance Machinery Equipment Co. Limited is located in Henan Province, an important equipment manufacturing base in China. It is a national high-tech enterprise specializing in the research, development, manufacturing, sales and service of grease engineering equipment. Henan Guance Machinery Equipment Co. Limited, which affiliated with Guance Group. Since its establishment, Guance Machinery has always adhered to the business philosophy of taking science and technology as the guide, seeking survival through quality, and pursuing development through service. It has been deeply involved in the oil machinery field for more than 20 years and has now developed into a leading domestic manufacturer and exporter of oil pressing equipment. Its products are sold to more than 80 countries and regions in Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Africa, South America, and Europe, and enjoy a high reputation worldwide. Guance Machinery has assembled a group of top technical talents and management elites in the industry, forming a professional R&D team and technical service team to continuously drive product technology innovation and process optimization. Guance Machinery specializes in providing comprehensive oil and fat engineering solutions to global customers. Our product line includes vegetable oil production lines for over 360 types of oil seeds, including palm oil, coconut oil, olive oil, rice bran oil, etc. And animal oil production lines for refining animal fats such as fish oil, beef tallow, lard, and crocodile oil. The company provides complete turnkey projects, from raw material pretreatment, pressing, extraction, and refining to packaging. Our rigorous quality control system, from raw material procurement to production, processing, assembly, and commissioning, ensures excellence in every step, guaranteeing stable and reliable equipment performance. We offer customized solutions. We can tailor the most suitable production plan based on the customer's specific needs, raw material characteristics, and investment budget, helping customers achieve the best return on investment. At the same time, we have established a global service network with a team of over 30 experienced engineers, providing comprehensive services including overseas installation and commissioning, technical training, and maintenance. Looking ahead, Henan Guance Machinery Equipment Co. Limited will continue to adhere to an innovation-driven development strategy, increase R&D investment, enhance the technological content of its products, expand its product line, and improve its global service network. The company will adopt a more open approach, collaborating with global customers and partners to create a brighter future for the edible oil industry, striving to become a leading enterprise and a trusted long-term partner in the global edible oil engineering equipment field. Choosing Guance Machinery means choosing professionalism, quality, and success. We will create greater value for our global customers with high-quality products, comprehensive services, and reasonable prices, achieving mutually beneficial cooperation.